Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade Volatility Index 75. On my screen I have V75 1 minute time frame, and I have just two windows. I have the main window. This is my main window. It's my main window, and I have indicator window 1. This is indicator window 1. All right. Okay, so let's look at the settings. For the main window. I have Bollinger Bands. The period is 35. The deviation is 0.029, and the shift is 0. Apply to close, and the color is blue. And I have another Bollinger Bands. Period is 30. Deviation is 0.020. The shift is 0, and I'm applying to close. And I have another, and the color of this Bollinger Band is orange. Another indicator, moving average. Period is 13. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. And the color of the style is red. Now, if we go to, lastly, we have fractals on the main chart. Fractals, of course, is for identifying the point of price rejection. If the fractal arrow points upward, that means price has hit a point of resistance and it may fall. And if the fractal arrow is pointing downward, that means price has hit a point of support and it may go up. Okay, let's go to the main chart. This main chart. Okay, for this strategy, that's the main chart. Okay, so the way the strategy works is when the 13 period moving average, when it crosses above the two Bollinger Bands, the orange and the blue Bollinger Bands, crosses above like this, that's a buy signal. It indicates a buy signal. All right. And when it crosses down, that's a sell signal. When it crosses above, and the red line crosses above the orange and the blue, you have your buy signal. When it crosses down, you have your sell signal. When it crosses up, your buy signal. When it crosses down, your sell signal. If it crosses up, your buy signal. And if it crosses down, like you have around here, your sell signal. If it crosses up again, your buy signal. So that's basically how it works on the main chart. All right. And if you look at what happened, because it's up around here, and I entered my buy trade somewhere around here, and see what price is doing. Okay, so that's basically how to use the indicators on the main chart. All right, just allow the red line, which is the 13 period moving average, to cross above the two Bollinger Bands. Okay, and price stays above all indicators for you to buy, and allow the 13 period moving average to cross down, and price stays below all indicators, then you sell. So that's that. Let's look at the settings for indicator window 1. For indicator window 1, we have relative strength index. Let's look at the period. The period is period 5. Apply to close. Color will match the background, the color of the chart. All right, let's look at the levels. We have 50, 49, 51, 55, 45, 54, 46. Now all these levels, the color will be black. Then let's go to moving average. We have 20, the period is 25, shift is 0, method is linear weight, apply to previous indicators data, and the color is red. And finally on indicator window 1 we have another moving average, period is 13, method is linear weight, apply to previous indicators data, and the color is blue. So let's go to the chart. All right, so when the blue and the red moving averages, when they cross down on the levels, the RSI levels, all RSI levels, you have your downtrend, and they cross up above all levels, you have your uptrend, they cross down, downtrend, cross up, uptrend, down, downtrend, up, uptrend. So that's basically how to use the moving up the indicators on indicator window 1. Like you have a cross up above here, you have to have a buy signal, and if you also have a synchronization of a buy signal on the main chart, you can place your buy trade. Same thing happens for sell trade, like you have around here. Place your sell trade. So that's the way the strategy works. So for indicator window 1 again, when the red line crosses above the blue line, you have your buy signal, and when the red line crosses below the blue line, you have your sell signal. When the red line crosses above your buy signal, below sell signal. Okay, it's more like this is the signal and this is the confirmation. All right, this is the signal to sell, and this is your confirmation. All right, so that's basically how the strategy works. It's a good strategy. You can use it on 1 minute time frame, you can use it on 5 minutes time frame, you can use it on 15 minutes, on 30, on 1 hour. But when you have a new strategy, make sure you back test that strategy. Don't go live immediately. You can back test it, check it out, then try it on demo account. Like you can see road price here and the bot. All right, so that's that for the strategy. It's a good strategy. Make sure you try it out. Try it out on demo first. If you get the grip, you can move to live account. All right, so that's basically how the strategy works. You can visit our website, www.netflixtrader.com, to learn more about other strategies we have for you. You can also subscribe to our channel so you get to see more videos. Make sure you click the like button. Click the like button. Like our videos. Also, click the notification button so that you get to see more videos. When we publish them, you'll be the first to see the videos. You can also state your questions, or can make comment below the video. If you need if you need us to do any video, any particular video, we'll be glad to do it for you, so that you can learn how to trade Forex and Volatility index and make profits. So till I come your way next time,